Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Lancia Delta S4 and this is by Hotwheels from the premium series and specifically from the Thrill Climber series. So this is 4 out of 5 in the series. I bought it for 514, which is the revised MRP. So let's open it. So again, for the people who are asking me what is the weight or for how much I am buying this, please watch the video. I am saying everything on this video. Again, I'm not going to, just because you are asking, I'm not going to go back to the video, watch it entirely, watch it again. I'm not going to comment because honestly, I honestly have a lot of things to do. So I'm doing all these videos for you guys. I really want you guys to watch the video. If you don't want to watch the entire video, at least watch sections of it which you really want to see. I mean, instead of asking me on every video how much this cost, what is the weight of it, and whether it has metal base, something like that. I mean, I'm saying everything in the video. I'm showing it everything in the video. So watch the video. Even if you guys are not subscribing, if you are not watching the entire video, that's entirely up to you. But if you want to know the details, watch the video, at least that section of the video. The video itself is only like 3 to 4 minutes long. In some cases, it's 7 minutes long. Depends upon what I'm unboxing. Okay. So here is the card art. The card art actually looks really nice. Okay, let me put this aside. So here is the casting itself. Honestly, the casting looks really nice and it is really solid. So it has painted headlights here and painted tail lights here. I'm really happy they actually did it well on this particular car. And so it has good interior detailing to it. It has a little bit of scratches on the windshield, but don't worry about it. It's specific to mine. Yours might not have. So the detailing looks really good. And so full metal casting, metal body, metal chassis, and even the spoiler here is metal that is casted along with the body here. So it has rear view mirrors here. It's really neat. The whole casting actually looks, see, out of the four which we unboxed, this is the only casting which I personally like. Even though I am not a fan of Lancia, I personally like this casting because it actually feels solid. On top of that, the detailing here, the exhaust here, exhaust is actually plastic, that is not metal. So I missed to say that. And the tires are rubber. Again, these rims are not unique or anything. This is, I think I have this exact rim on my STH. Let me show you that. You can see that there. Okay. Yeah, that STH there. Yeah, that actually has this exact. Okay, let me put it back. I'm really sorry about that, but I really wanted to show you guys that it is not special. So if your deciding factor is that, that's the reason I'm showing that. It is not special. They even do that for STH in main lines, and even I think even some other main lines got that if I'm not wrong. But yeah, that's it. So this is the exact set of wheels that what Mazda has. So let's weigh this casting now. It is very, feels very heavy. 55 grams, not bad at all. So I'm hoping this would roll really well because of the weight. Not at all. I can't be more wrong. Man, it is not even moving. Just stuck there. Maybe because of the splitter here on the front that is not allowing it to roll properly. So apart from that, so one more thing, the mud flap here, that is actually plastic. That is not metal. That's a separate piece of plastic. So okay, let's rate this casting now. So it has all the detailing to it. So it is a 10 out of 10 there. So on the quality aspect, I mean, this time they did it really good. So again, 10 out of 10. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you like my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.